Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, it's Claro Artist again. Today we will draw a ninja out of the world of ninja in a really simple way, especially for kids or beginners who try to draw. And to draw on a word or a phrase, it's always easier because there are some basic guidelines, and these basic guidelines, which apparently the letters help us to remember and to bear in our mind how to draw what we would like to draw. So this is a really simple way how to draw something. And if we draw a ninja on the phrase ninja, then it's much more easier. So enjoy the video.
Hello guys, I am the very first animated character made by Rabin. If you enjoyed the video, push that like button. And if you wish to receive more video like this, then subscribe. Until the next video, I see you later.